I need your classes badly, you know. That's the thing. I'm getting old. I, I need to, you know, get the flexibility thing going. Um, yeah. So congratulations, you jumped on to install Linux.
Yep, Ubuntu.
Well done, well done.
Thank you.
Yeah, so there are so many different versions of Linux. Ubuntu and Mint are probably the easiest ones,
Yeah,
but they're all very similar.
yeah,
So you're having some problem reading your USB.
that's right.
Okay, the thing is, do you know you copied your data from Windows onto the USB?
No, I went to get it installed in a computer store.
Oh, you went to a shop?
Yeah,
Oh,
I'm I'm not as savvy as a lot of other people, so I went to get it done because
yeah,
I had
but
to wipe out. I had to wipe out that laptop anyway. So it
right.
was yeah. Um, it had a lot of Chinese algorithms in it, so I needed to get rid of that and just start fresh. And
Yeah,
I was thinking, if I'm going to start fresh, I might as well try Linux.
yeah, you can't go
That's
wrong.
how it happened.
It is foolish to use Windows and even maybe Mac as well, where they just be hostile to you and you're paying them for the
Yeah,
for the privilege. So
absolutely. And you have to
the
log
sh
into everything as well.
so what is it you've got on the USB that you want?
Well, I have a huge hard drive with all of my files, and I wanted to transfer quite a few of them, or at least be able to read it from the Linux machine.
Right, 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 right.
It doesn't recognize USB at all. There was a sound coming up now when I plugged it in. That didn't happen last time, so I don't know.
Okay.
That's an improvement.
Well, so how many USB ports has your computer got?
This one has two, so I've got one for the mouse and one for the USB that I'm trying to read
And
at the
did you
moment.
try it in both
Yeah,
sides, both,
yeah,
and it just doesn't read it?
yes, that's right.
So you know the shop that you took it to,
Yeah,
did they not kind of do this bit for you?
no, but they did help me with a lot of things.
Right.
They installed VPN for me on there, and
Mhm.
Brave browser is working fine on it.
Super.
Yeah, so it's already protected in that sense.
Right.
It's just basically that day-to-day usage that seems to be a bit complicated. And one website I went to that does like you can stream music. It didn't even want to press play. So I didn't know. Maybe I needed to install some sort of plug-in for it or something. I don't know, but it didn't come up with anything I could do. So, but that
Right.
might just be that site. And we did we put Chris's iMusic on there, which is working now. We had to install a little Google thing on it
Right.
to get it
Right.
to play music. But it's not Google itself. It's just like an extension thing, I think, for it to be able to play.
Okay. I mean, there's a lot of there are some quirks when you go to Linux, but once you will find one or two things that is a problem for you. Most people have no problem, uh, and it's getting better and better all the time with the updates.
Yeah,
So what you can do, what I find very helpful nowadays, is you can ask the AI,
yeah,
and it's a very good um, troubleshooter. And so the big problem is the problem is when you have an issue like that, we don't know if there's a fault with the drive that you're plugging in, or there is a software problem where it's not reading it.
Right. So I can say that that troubleshoot I've done already, because I tried with several different USBs.
Right, and everyone works except this one.
No, none of them worked.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. I've tried small ones, big ones. I've got loads of USBs. I tried all of them in the two different ports as well, and it just doesn't seem to be able to read
It's
it.
not reading it.
Yeah.
Okay. So one of the problems could be,
Oh, and the mouse is working in the USB plugin, so you know it's not
right.
the actual port
So your
itself as well.
USB is working. So what
Yeah.
it could be, you know, when you have your drive, you have to format it,
Yes.
and sometimes you format it in like NTFS or FAT32, or there are different ways to format the drive.
Yeah.
Some of it is not recognized by Linux. I can't remember
Okay.
which one.
Okay.
So from what, if the drive is working,
Yeah, it's working on my PC.
right?
So
So
it's full of stuff. So it's already been formatted beforehand,
yes,
or
so
like
you might
so.
have formatted it in a format that is not compatible with Linux.
Right.
So I'm gonna try and ask the AI while we're talking. Um, Let me just see. So, okay, I'm gonna ask the question. Hard drive with data from Windows not recognized by Ubuntu. Tried in other Windows computer and it works. USB port is fine with mouse. Not recognized HD, so it's external HD, yeah?
It actually shows that it's plugged in, but I can't open it.
It shows that it's plugged in.
Yeah. It made the sound when I plugged it in as well. So
But you see something on the screen?
yeah, there's a little kind of there's a USB mark that came up on the sidebar,
Right.
and but
Oh,
when I
so it's
click,
showing up, but you can't read it.
yes,
Okay.
it doesn't actually open the files that is inside it, if that makes sense.
Okay. So
Yeah,
I think it's your format.
maybe.
Um, so we will tell the AI, does recognize drive, but cannot display files. Okay, let's see what it says. More than likely, it's in a format that is probably NTFS or something.
Okay.
Okay. So the AI is saying since the external drive works on Windows, this is probably a file system mount issue, not a dead drive. Most common problem, Windows did not safely eject the drive. NTFS dirt. So there's a type of file format called NTFS. There's one called FAT32. There's one called EXT. So missing support package, BitLocker encryption, but not mounting the partition. Okay. So I'm gonna. Have you got WhatsApp on the computer?
Sorry?
Have you got WhatsApp on the computer?
What, on the Linux one? On the Linux
Yeah.
computer?
Yeah.
No, but I have Telegram.
Oh, I don't know if I have Telegram on this computer.
Yeah.
So you don't
But,
have WhatsApp. Is it?
but,
Can you? Are you?
but you can send. But I can send it to myself via Telegram if it's
Right. Okay. Let's do that. Let's do that. So I'm
yeah.
gonna.
So
Do
if
you
you
know
send
how
it
to
to
go
me,
in the terminal?
you can send it to me here in the chat, and or
Yeah.
if you want.
Okay. I'll do that. Do you know how
Yeah.
to go in the terminal?
Yes. Well, I haven't done it before, but I know where the terminal is.
Okay. So what you do? You
Let
plug in the
me
drive
show you
now.
what I got here.
Plug the drive into the computer. Yeah.
This is what I have right now. So I can see the
Okay.
terminal.
Super. So have you plugged? Okay. Are you able to plug in the drive?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you hear that sound? Yeah. That means that
Yeah.
it's on.
Okay, so let me put in the chat. Chat. So what you do, you press your button. Press these buttons for me. Control, Alt, and T.
What, in the terminal?
No, just on your keyboard. That's a quick way to bring up the terminal. You can search and type terminal. That's another way.
Yeah. Okay. So Control Alt
T.
T.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. Okay.
So you copy and paste this code, which I sent you,
Yeah. 1 second.
into the terminal.
Yeah.
So the terminal is a little tricky. So what? There's a little box flashing, a little white box.
Yes.
So you kind of put your cursor in the white box and right click it, and then you can paste once you get to that copy.
So that's the whole code that starts with is big.
Just copy the whole thing carefully.
Yeah.
Make sure there's no spaces in it.
Okay. I'll send that to myself now on Telegram. And just bear with me, please.
Yeah, take your time.
Right. So I just put that straight in where the white bit
Yeah,
is.
straight in and hit enter.
I didn't grab it. Hang on a minute.
Mm-hmm.
It's not pasting.
Okay. Do control control shift V. Let me see. Control alt V, sorry.
So isn't control
Alt V.
I thought it was control shift.
Well, try control alt V. I just tested it on mine.
Oh, okay. Then I need to do that to copy it as well, probably. Control alt C, right? To copy?
Yeah. Yeah.
Control alt C to copy, so it's not directly. I see.
Do you have a mouse?
Alt V. Still not doing it.
Huh?
It's still not doing it.
Highlight it, right click it with your mouse, and then copy it that way.
Right.
You need a ton of patience with computers.
Oh yeah. I was expecting that.
But you highlight it.
I didn't think it was going to be easy. So
Yeah.
go with the mouse. Doesn't allow me to copy.
Even if you right click.
I did. Oh, here, copy selected text. There we go.
Mm-hmm.
Just looks different.
Yeah.
Right. Do I just do a right mouse and paste as well then?
Yeah, try. Put it right in the white cursor.
Yep.
It pasted.
Okay.
Beautiful. Now hit enter.
Yeah. There was lots of text coming up.
Yeah, it's running in the background. That's beautiful. So let me see what's the next option.
So
Does it show anything about SDC 1?
sorry, does it say something about what?
SDC 1. NTFS exFAT at the very end.
Can't see that.
Okay.
EXT4.
Right, so it's showing ext4.
Yeah. And then
Right,
there's like
so you got your
full
file, but read the full line for the ex. Is it starting with SDC?
No. Do you mean the code that comes after it? After
Yeah,
it.
with a line, isn't it? It says ext4, but is that?
Yeah, and then it says I don't know if that's 0. It's so
What comes
small.
before and after ext4? Did it just appear by itself?
No, yeah, well, there is a line coming after it, which is under what it looks like label UUID.
Right.
And it says I don't know if it's 0 or at. I can't differ it. But that's 0. So it's E0E69779 hyphen 334C hyphen 4E3E hyphen.
I'll tell you what you do. Just copy like the last 5 lines or 6 lines and message it back to me.
Yeah. Okay. copy it over now, just one sec. There you go.
Okay. Right. Okay, so this should have everything we need to find out what it is,
Yeah.
the file type. Let's see now what it's saying. Ubuntu does recognize and mount the drive, so that's a little good news.
Okay.
It is a NTFS file system.
Right. Okay.
So the problem is opening the files. The other parts are okay, other aspects.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do, we're gonna look from the terminal to see if we can see it. Let me see. So I'm gonna send you another code.
Yeah.
And you just copy and paste it. Nope.
Yeah.
Not that. Right, so let me put this in the message, just put this in.
Yeah.
So the good news so far, it's recognizing it, it's reading it,
Yeah.
it's just not displaying it properly.
Yeah. Is that ends up with MC, right? No, sorry.
I
Sorry.
sent
No,
you
no,
this
no.
one on
Oh,
the.
no, I got it. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you copy and paste it in, press enter. Let me know when you're finished.
Yeah. I'm doing it. So just put that in the dialog box, the next step.
Yeah. Just carry on.
Yeah.
Where you see the cursor flashing.
Yes. And then press enter, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Yes, it's opening it.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
Oh, magic.
magic. So is that a permanent thing now that's been put into
I
place
think
there?
so. I think so. Let me just have a little check here. I'll press that. So you're actually seeing the files already, yeah?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay. Mm-hmm. Seems to be reading. I just want to see if there's anything we need to do to make it permanent, or it is already
yeah,
permanent.
yeah.
Um, so
Looks
in Windows, they have a Windows has a terminal as well,
yeah.
but we just don't use it as often.
Hmm.
But in Linux, we seem to use the terminal a bit more, but when you get used to it, it's quite easy. If the
Yeah.
file manager, okay, so you're seeing the files now. You're fine. I think you're good to go.
Yeah, yeah.
It
It
is
looks like
reading the contents.
yeah, and all the files are showing up inside. I've checked all the
You're done.
pictures
You're done. You're
and
done. So it was always fine. It was just a little glitch to read. It recognized the drive, everything. It was the contents it wasn't reading. So now it's
so it might
reading.
be an idea if, like, for example, all of a sudden it doesn't read it again. It's probably a good idea to create like a document with the codes in.
With the routine, I
Yeah,
think you'll
like
be fine. I think you'll be fine.
so. Yeah, okay,
Yeah.
brilliant.
But it's not just fixing the drive. It's you've been through the practice run.
Yeah,
You know.
yeah.
So how do you feel now? You got on Linux. You're reading your backup.
Loving it, loving it.
Okay. There,
So
there
like,
is there is a few videos online you can watch. Like
yeah,
for example, there is one. I think there's a video called. You just Google um, things to do after installing Ubuntu.
okay,
So we'll give you a list of things because certain things Ubuntu can't do or Linux can't do because of legal reasons, yeah?
yeah,
But you can do it.
yes,
Someone will give you a list of little things to do, like say downloading some codec. Codecs is what reads video files
okay,
and audio files.
yeah,
But there are many videos like that. 10 things to do after you install Ubuntu, something like that. You will see a few, and then you just add a little bit of optimization.
yeah,
And now I know you're on it. I will send you a couple of the programs I use
yeah,
that I've discovered over time that
okay.
are probably not in the repository. You know about the repository?
Repository, no.
Okay, so somewhere in your menu there should be an option to search for software.
Oh yeah. Do you mean like to show the apps that is installed,
Yes,
or
yes. They probably have an app store type of thing.
yeah,
They call it a repository. So yeah, you can search for software there,
yeah,
but there are some software that is not on there.
yeah.
Yeah, so Linux is fantastic. Nobody makes viruses for Linux. You don't even have to have
Go figure, yeah.
antivirus. Huh?
Go figure, yeah. Go figure.
Well, they can make it, but there are so many independent coders all over the world. They will just fix it in seconds. You don't have to,
Yeah. Well,
I
you
don't
only want
use
to
antivirus.
produce viruses if you're going to sell the vaccine, isn't it? So
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. The money is in the medicine. So it's a great freedom thing.
yeah.
And the way Microsoft and stuff, even Germany and France and so many countries are now kicking out Google and Microsoft. It's overdue.
Yeah.
And we have free open source community built software. Why shouldn't we use it?
Yeah,
So I'm
exactly.
really pleased, and welcome to the Freedom Tech world.
Linux society.
And you can inspire a few people.
Hopefully,
It's
yeah.
scary, but it's manageable.
It's manageable. And
Yeah.
what I can say as well, obviously the first thing we did was to put VPN on there, and I brought Firefox search engine and Brave, which I'm using the most.
Right.
And
Right.
also for design software, I've installed GIMP, which is a free design software as well.
GIMP, yeah.
I use Adobe for work.
Yeah.
But you have to log into it. So everything you do there is on record or saved to a cloud somewhere. There's no privacy whatsoever anymore. And the same with obviously Outlook and all of that as well. So I have a private email address on Ubuntu, which is, what's it called? Tutor Mail.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you're doing amazing.
That's my living woman email, and all the other ones are corporate.
Yeah. Yeah, so there is a mail thing called Thunderbird.
Yes, I have that on here.
Where you can plug in all your different emails and it manages it. You can do encryption, all sorts, and it's all free.
Yeah, that's already installed on here as well. I'll have it all on there.
A little tip on GIMP, yeah?
Yeah.
I mean, if you're familiar with Adobe and you know all the commands for
Yeah,
Adobe,
absolutely. I know all of it. I've done it for
there
years.
is a version of GIMP.
Yeah.
You have to search a little bit.
Okay.
But somebody has taken it and changed the commands.
So they're the same?
Yeah.
As Photoshop?
Yeah, so you can, it's called Photoshop GIMP or something.
Huh? That's awesome. I didn't even know about that because that's been my main problem. Right. It's very similar to Photoshop in many ways and quite easy to use in that, but it's the shortcuts. It's always been the shortcuts that's been the issue and it's holding me back from using it.
Somebody has solved that problem, yeah?
Okay, so how do I find that?
Search, it'll pop up Photoshop GIMP, and then you'll find where to download it.
Photoshop shortcuts, okay, cool.
Yeah, somebody has done that. It's amazing. And
that's awesome.
And there's a PDF called Joe PDF, JOPDF, which it can do all the things you would do online, but you're giving up your data. It lives on your hard drive and it can do all the splitting and, a lot of maneuvers on PDFs.
Okay.
All free.
Yeah.
Joe
PDF.
Sorry?
Joe PDF.
JOPDF.
Okay.
That's quite a good one.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you're well on your way. Welcome to the club.
Yeah, thank you. I'm very proud.
I'm proud of you as well. It's hard to make that move, but once you do, you can't go back. I'm telling you.
Well, that's true. But it's also like it's a good kind of like indicator to separate your private life from Matrix. So you know. Now, they will just be acting as two different entities to me. Yeah.
And over time, you will get so happy with Linux, you won't even want the other one. So
there you go. Good work, that's all.
All right, Moni. God bless.
All right. Thank you so much.
Take care, Anthony.
Bye.
Bye. Take care, bro.
Take care, man. Yeah, bye.